Medium cars.
Day 2, guys. We're gonna walk towards the body shop, and they don't want me filming over there, so I'm just gonna film the car. That's okay, no problem. I respect that. But it's a really long walk, and we're coming from that direction over there. Can y'all see it? So anyway, I have to go get him some parts again, little clips to get this stuff started. Okay, guys. They did a really good job. They're very fast. This is going to be replaced with a door that I just dropped off today. This is done. There used to be a big dent here. That used to be really bad, and it was wrinkled here. That's done too. Very quick. Yep. Wow, that's unbelievable. You didn't have a... Okay, guys, this is what they did today. And they're straightening it out, pulling it out, and all these weld marks are from them putting the machine in. Diba, like anytime, tapos dikit, tapos ting ting ting, yeah. And tapos ganito, and tapos ulit. Yeah. Okay, so they're using heat to stick the metal. Then once it sticks, they use a puller. It goes bang bang bang, and then it gets all the dents out, and it looks pretty damn straight. I'm content with it. So, saan sa pinto na yan? Doon?
Yes.
Oh, that's done. That looks good. Kasama to?
Yes.
Okay, good. That's done. That's flat. Okay. So, chinakilo sa likod, may damage or hindi?
Wala.
Wala? Oh, okay. So, ako magbahala sa cover. So, ulit. This is done. You remember last time it was a big dent here? Couple of them. On the way sa ano tawag yun? Emblem?
Yeah.
So gusto ko, pwede kayo tanggalin to?
Tanggalin.
Oo, dagdag tayo sa bago. Ano tawag yun?
Adhesive double adhesive tape. 3M.
Meron kayo?
Yes.
Okay. Meron iba pang logo. Ako. It's ano tawag? Iba pang klase sa iba pang bansa. And meron ako bago ganito. So, hindi kailangan dikit. Just tanggalin ito lahat. And ito, papalit sa iba pang letro. So, and... Oh. Diretso na, ha? Ito. Nagtanggal nila? Ha? Bilis? Shit. Kanina parang ganito yung bracket. Oh. Okay. That's... complete. I like it. Okay. That's estimate. We're gonna go check out the door right now.
Papakita si sir sa'yo? Yung kompleto ko na ng parts sa stargazer. May simple sa kanya na.
Oh, yan. Staria.
Staria, yes, Staria. Yes.
So, parehas yung Staria suspension and tsaka yung Stargazer. Parehas?
Oo, na-order na yun eh. Pero meron na. Pero same.
Same?
Kasa yun.
Oo, pwede ako kumuha. Agad. Hindi ko talaga sure. So, pwede ako kumuha yung pyesa.
Pero may parts ka na. Oo.
Kung may kulang, tawag mo sa kanya, ha?
Yeah, okay.
And then, tawag mo sa akin. Oh, meron ako source sa Staria parts. Walang problema. Sabi ko sa'yo, pwede ako. So, di ba, kita mo yung picture?
Yes.
See, ready to order. Maraming parts number dyan. Sa buong sakyan kung gusto mo. Frame pieces, ganyan. Oh!
Yeah, sir.
Time to ride the bike. My God, spoiled kayo talaga. Marami kayo gamit. Sakyan, motorsiklo. Oh, Diba sabi ko, oh shit. Sino niya? Special tao. Alright, back to the shop. So, gawa nila yung pinto? Saan?
4 painting pa, sir.
Ha?
4 painting.
Saan sa... doon? Okay. Tingnan natin. Hello. Amoy bago. Okay.
Maybe tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Sige.
Ay, para pag-fix natin, 20 lang.
It's okay. Nandito ako every couple of days. Parang
Okay.
ganyan. Galing mo, kuya. So wala ka magawa?
This video is sponsored by Muscle Shirts, the premier online store for everything car related. Please check us out at muscleshirts.store and support us by getting one of our awesome products. We have a 15% discount for you at the checkout. Link in the description.
So, I'll tell you guys a little story about this car. So I'll tell you guys a little story about this car. I was driving at home one night, and the intersection I was going to, there's 4 cameras to most intersections, most major intersections in the Philippines, right? So the camera I was going into, or the intersection, was green when I went inside the intersection, right? As soon as I got into the middle of the intersection, all the bikes started to shoot out in front of me, right? So I hit my brakes to make sure that I didn't get hit by a motorcycle. And what happened, I continued to go in further, and then after I went in further, a motorcycle hit the rear end of my car and caused major damage to the side, destroying my door. Fortunately for me, I didn't have my glass down. Had my glass been down, then the glass would have been broken. It would have been more of a cost, you know, for parts. Okay, so that's the situation with that. And then when we were at the police station looking at the video, it was in the guy's favor, which pissed me off, because the camera was not facing the intersection as I was going in. It was actually facing the opposite side, where you could see my car coming in, and the light was, of course it's going to be red on the other side, right? Which is not good for my case. Okay, so I let that go. And then I had to go get insurance the next day, because at that time my insurance had lapsed. It was out by 60 days, okay? So I took care of the person that hit me. It was a motorcycle. I took care of all his repairs, and I made sure that what do you call that? I furnished all the parts. I supplied all the parts and everything, set up for that damage, okay? And then the next day, I had to get the insurance on my car to make sure everything was fine, just in case something went wrong, right? Lo and behold, 12 hours later, as I was exiting a private freaking subdivision, I get hit by a car in the rear. A car hits me in the rear as I didn't exit the subdivision yet, thank God. Okay, so then I was having a bad week, okay? So then I had damage to the rear of my car. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. So I love this body shop. You can actually have coffee here, and I'm going to do a shout out on them at the end of the video. Okay, so anyway, then I got hit in the rear, okay, and come to find out how the rear end collision really wasn't, it didn't look that bad, right? But then after you remove everything, you take everything out of the way, then you're gonna see the damage was a lot worse than it looks, okay? Damage like that, especially when it comes to the frame, would have totaled the car in the US, right? But over here in the Philippines, they tend to fix damage to the even as bad as C-pillar, okay, damage, okay? So your A pillar is right where your windshield is, the B pillar is right where your beginning and ending of the front door, I'm sorry, the ending of the front door and beginning of the rear door, that's the B pillar. The C pillar is the where it slopes down, okay? That's the C pillar. So apparently we had C pillar damage to other cars that I've seen in this body shop, and they still managed to repair it, which is incredible, okay? So in my car's case, it was C-pillar, but on the side only, okay? And it also hit the frame area of the side of the, the side rail area in the rear, and it destroyed the door. Fortunately for me, it did not crinkle the top of the roof or hit the absolute C-pillar of the rear of the car, okay? So then the next day I had to go on my way to the insurance company, okay? I was exiting the subdivision. Actually, the gate was only maybe 300 feet away, okay? And then somebody hits the rear of my car. I was so mad. And then I told them somebody's gonna have to pay for the damage. Then they come to find out they saw that I didn't have insurance, and they said, well, sir, the guy offered to pay out of his pocket, right? You know.